up, guys? Welcome back to the channel, man. Welcome back to the channel. Today's video, man, I gotta do some testing on my car today. If you watched the last video, I saw me fooling around in with another 392, but I edited out some of the footage because my car was hesitating a little bit, and so I took that part out of the video just so I can do some testing to try to figure out what exactly is going on. So basically, when I was at the light, and this is before that 392 even pulled up, I stepped on my car, hit the gas. The car acted like it was gonna pull off, and then it started hesitating. You know what I'm saying? Like I hit the gas, it pulled off, and then it stopped real quick, as if the car was spinning and the traction control was stopping the car from moving. That's what it seemed like to me. I'm not sure exactly what it is. So I'm about to do some testing right now, man, to try to figure out what the heck is going on. Do I need to take this car back to the dealership? Is there something going on with my transmission? Is there a setting that I need to check? So leave your comments, man, if there's something that you went through with your 392. But anyway, we about to test it out. I'm about to go through every different SRT mode and see if I can find out what's going on. I'm trying to find me a good spot to go to try to test this out without the police being on my tail. I probably should have waited till later on in the day to try to do this, but I want to get this out the way now, so if I need to call the dealership and take the car to the dealership, I can go ahead and do that. You feel what I'm trying to say? So I'm about to go up here right now. I'm about to pull over up here and see if I can test this out real quick, man. So I'm about to switch to my GoPro. Let me do this. Let me turn around right here, set up this GoPro, and I get right back to y'all. Let's go. All right, guys. So I'm about to try to first I'm gonna put this joint in. Let me see. Hold on. Now I'm gonna go to apps. T mode. It's in auto now. So I'm gonna just hit it right now while it's in auto and see if I have the same issue. I'm just going, hopefully nobody coming. I'm just gonna get on it and see. I'm gonna stand still. I'm just gonna hit it and see if it hesitates. Didn't do it that time. I mean, it kind of did it, but it didn't do it. It was spinning, but it wasn't. Didn't necessarily hesitate. I like the way it sounds though. So if we turn around, we're gonna try it again. I'm gonna put it in. Matter of fact, we can do it right here. I don't think nobody out here, so let's do it right here. This look a little better. I'm gonna try it right here. Like I say, it's almost like as if the traction control is kicking in right when the car started to spin. So I'm gonna put it in, and it's right when you hit it. It doesn't do it once the car is already moving and grooving. All right, so we're gonna put it in custom. In custom, I got the transmission at track, the paddle shifters are off, traction is in sport, suspension sport, steering sport. So I'm just gonna hit it, and look like it's saying the traction control is off. So at least the little signal was right there. I don't know if y'all can see that. So I'm just gonna hit it and see if it hesitates like it did yesterday. Nah, I didn't hesitate that time. Man, it's just spitting too. It ain't hesitate that time. I don't know, maybe it was just because I've been babying the car, I was hesitating, but I left some daggone marks right there. All right, so let's try it again. And I did not mean to burn my tires like that. I'm gonna put it in sport mode. And hey man, this car crazy, bro. I'm gonna put it in sport mode, and we're gonna hit it, and I'm gonna use the paddle shifter. The paddle shifter's on, yeah, paddle shifter's on. So I'm trying to get in and get out, man, before somebody call them folks on me, man. So we're gonna hit it, and I got a little bit of real estate. I don't have a whole bunch of real estate, and we're gonna hit it and see what happens. Let's go. Alright, the joint ain't doing it, man, so I'm gonna let it go. I ain't even gonna do track mode. That joke spent the whole time, bruh. Let me get out of here, man, before they call. Hey, y'all know y'all heard that joke screaming. Yeah, this joint ain't doing it. So hopefully, maybe I work the kinks out. That's crazy, bruh. This joint was spinning like crazy, man. Let me get out of here before somebody call the police on me. I can put you back in the auto now. Put you back in the auto now, shawty. Eco. Hold on, custom. Oh yeah, auto now. That's crazy. So it wouldn't do that the other day when I was fooling with it. It didn't do it, guys. You know, I mean, I'm gonna put the clip in where it was hesitating. I don't know if you can even tell in the video. I'm gonna put that clip in right here. All right, guys, right here is where I noticed that the car hesitated. You know what? I just noticed this car been doing that. I gotta take it back to the dealership. See how it stopped when I stepped on it? I don't know why it's doing that. It's hesitating. Maybe I was just doing something wrong again, because I'm just learning this car, you know what I'm saying? And maybe I was just doing something wrong when I was trying to get on it and the car hesitated. Leave your comments, let me know. Like I said, I ain't trying to claim to be no expert with these cars. I'm learning them as I go, especially this 392. With all this different modes and all that stuff, man, I'm still learning how to, you know, how to operate the car. But again, when I stepped on the car at the light, it hesitated, it pulled off and then it stopped and then it pulled off again. You know what I'm saying? So I thought maybe it was like maybe the fuel pump or something may have been going bad and it wasn't getting enough gas when I stepped on it. You know, something, I read something on the forum about people needing their PCMs reset and all kinds of different things it could be. So that's why I wanted to get out here and test it out again and kind of go through the different SRT modes and see maybe I had something set wrong or what. I didn't know what it could have been. But as you saw, the car didn't hesitate at all. I mean, it was spinning. Clearly it was spinning, but it did not hesitate. And that's all I wondered, because I didn't want to have to get out in traffic one day, get on it, and the car hesitate and cause an accident. You know what I'm saying? So I just wanted to, you know, run a quick test, man, to see what was going on. And but obviously, I mean, I'm happy. I don't want to take my brand new car back to the dealership. You know what I'm saying? I mean, it's under warranty. I ain't worried about it, but I'm happy to, you know, to see that it wasn't nothing. There's nothing wrong with the actual car. That was just maybe a driver error, you know what I'm saying? I'm a rookie. I'm a rookie when it comes to the 392, but my RT, man, I was slinging that, spinning that car around like it was nothing. And eventually I'll probably get to that with this car. But right now, man, I'm still getting used to the power and I'm still learning the car, man. So, and again, you know, I want to give you guys the real. I ain't gonna give you all good. If something's going on with my car, man, I'm gonna show you. I'm gonna record it and let you guys see the good and the bad. I ain't gonna try to act like everything is perfect. We all know cars in general, not perfect. There's no such thing as a perfect car, you know what I'm saying? So if something's going on with my car, I'm gonna bring it to you guys. Maybe it may be something y'all can tell me, you know, how to fix it, or maybe it's just something I'm doing wrong. So I'm not gonna be the type of YouTuber that just show all the good stuff that's going on with the car, man. You know what I'm saying? So I'm excited, I'm happy, because I ain't wanna have to take my brand new car back to the dealership for, you know, because something wrong with the transmission or, you know, some kind of issues with the car. So if this is the first time on my channel, man, hit the like button, subscribe. I think track season has started already. And again, that's another reason why I wanted to, you know, see what was going on, because I want to go to the track. I missed last weekend, you know, working and everything, so I didn't get a chance to go, but I do plan to go here soon. I do plan to go soon. I don't know exactly when I'm going to go, but I am planning to go to the track. So you guys will definitely get to see me in action on the track. So again, man, I appreciate y'all rocking with me, man. All my new subscribers, welcome to the channel. Everything is about to pick up, man. The weather is nice now, so I'm definitely gonna be uploading a little more frequently. I don't want to just keep uploading just to be uploading. I want to actually upload something that you guys want to see. So, you know, leave your comments. Let me know what y'all want to see, man. You know, what kind of videos y'all want to see. I'm open to suggestions. You know, we're your family, man. So let me know what y'all want to see. Leave your comments, man. Hit that like button, guys. Hit the like button to help the channel, to help with the algorithm with YouTube. Help the video, you know, get sent around and circulate through YouTube. So if you can hit the like button, man, I really appreciate it. And I'll see you guys on the next video. Peace.